get back to fucking work. It's time to get back to work. Stop hearing yourself talk. Get off the podcast. Don't be on social media too much. Cut out all the fucking noise. Get back to the fucking mental lab.
Someone has to be the one to break the cycle in your family. Why not you?
Nobody believes in you. You've lost again and again and again. The lights are cut off, but you're still looking at your dream, reviewing it every day and say to yourself, it's not over until I win.
If you have an idea that you genuinely think is good, don't let some idiot talk you out of it.
I like to live in a nice house, drive a nice car, take that beautiful red-headed wife of mine out to nice restaurants and on nice trips. I like to play golf at the country club. And every one of those things costs money. But to tell you the truth, I love the things money won't buy. Money bought me a nice house, won't buy me a home. Money will buy you a companion, won't buy you a friend. Money will buy you a good time, won't buy you a peace of mind. Money will buy you a bed, won't buy you a good night's sleep.